it yet?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here's with Mama Martin and Papa Penny.
So do you see
Molly,
you see the creek?
this is Max, and
Look at the creek.
Molly.
It's a water.
Molly doesn't want to be on camera. Okay, come over here, please. Mama Martha.
Sarah, this guy.
Over here is very steep. Max, don't go down there. It's too steep for you. It's very steep, and that's a picture. And that's one of the areas that we might be going. So we're just gonna be in the car. A bunch of branches.
Sarah said that she is taking us to a bridge that is here in the ravine. I call it wilderness, but she called it ravine. So anyways, we are having a good experience and she is showing us everything. I just hope that the bear doesn't attack us.
I think the bear. I think wild animals like that would rather stay away.
And Max has decided to sniff sniff, pee 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 pee, or poo 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 poo. We don't know yet. But it looked like he's reading the newspaper. We come back.
Okay, I guess he doesn't want to be. Now, there you go. So let's go down here. I don't know if someone made this path or it's just here by nature.
This is an area that is a huge trees, as you can see. Wow. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Lots of trees around. There's lots of trees and ferns around here. So over there, there's a river, but I know some fish might.
Oh, Sarah is saying that it's under that river.
And maybe everyone who's watching this will maybe get lucky enough to see a fish.
Maybe you're lucky and see a fish. That's the little river in there. Oops.
They're at this river.
Look at that. They are gonna cross the river and hopefully nobody gets in the water. Like the other day we came with Josiah too and Josiah lost the balance and ended up in the water. Wow, wow, wow. There they're going. Unfortunately, you are not gonna see me because I am the one that is videotaping.
So are you gonna cross?
I'm gonna cross, but nobody can videotape me. So you just keep going. Maybe I won't cross. For the viewers, do you think that Mama Marta is gonna cross that log in there without going into the water? I don't know, but you won't see it. That's for sure. because nobody's gonna videotape me. There is Sarah exploring. I think we are gonna go to the other side, and if I don't get wet, I'll meet you at the other side. Bye bye, see you in a bit.